Welcome back, and today we're going to be making Tide slime. So the ingredients that you're going to be needing is glue and Tide, and this is all optional. So we're going to be using foam beads, this to put this inside,
glue, food coloring, Tide, and stars,
to glitter. So
make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and give it a huge thumbs up.
Let's get into the video.
Shout, shout, shoo!
So we're going to start off with our glue. So I'm going to give these oddies first. So this is how much we're going to put to that line. That's it.
No, it's not to the line.
It's okay. I couldn't see, that's why. There.
Did she get the most?
Yeah, because I'm the oldest.
Okay. So next, I'm gonna put the tie.
No,
we need some Tide.
Because use a certain amount.
Okay. You're gonna add a little your
Two, yeah.
Pokey?
So for me? No, we're gonna have to put no. That's going to we're gonna have to add that when the slime
You get your
Ooh.
That's a
lot.
Mix it. Okay,
And we're gonna keep this open.
Yeah, just
okay, and then we're just going to mix.
I'm gonna mix. Look at mine.
Until we get that slime consistency. So the slime consistency that you're looking for is when it doesn't stick to the bowl and to your hands and the mixing tool that you're using.
See?
So that's a key to making slime. And we gotta keep on mixing
so you
until
want
we
it
get
when
all
it's
of it
turned
together.
like this. If you add a lot
when
of
it's
Tide,
gunky,
when you add a lot of Tide, this how
make
it
sure
looks.
to add glue. Some of the glue.
turned out good.
And you want to make sure this actually works. We tried
I'm gonna get some glue. Just because I add a lot of Tide. That's it. I want a lot of slime too. So
I'm gonna put this down here.
the foam is why I don't touch.
Don't mind that. And if you need glue, just
So
add
mine
glue.
is actually coming together.
Yeah, mine.
Me too.
But make sure it's not very sticky.
I need more
Because you're
glue.
going to be needing.
This gulp look like yolk. You.
So you see how it's this. Abigail? This. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put the glue on my top, just because.
So guys, we're going to be making often. We're going to be doing more slime than anything. So we're going to be trying to do more slime and challenges. So yeah. You see, you want the slime consistency.
Okay, now
You see how it's all mixed in together? You don't want no gumps. You don't want no gumps. If you see there, I have a little bit gumps, and I'm going to keep on mixing.
So I have a bunch of gunks, guys. There's a lot of Tide.
You
I'm
see,
just
mine
gonna
is
go
not
in.
sticking to the bowl. You see that? It's all off the bowl. So I can get in there with my hands.
Where's the glue? Oh, right here.
Oh.
No, you don't need no more glue. Just
Yours is good. Oh, yeah, it's not. It's
She
not.
need more Tide. That's what. No, she need more Tide.
No,
Fine, I'm gonna give it to you. Let me see. That's
So this is
That's it,
bad.
that's it,
You
that's
can't have sticky slime. And mine was a fail.
not a fail.
Nice sticky.
Now I'm gonna go in with my hands, even though I have gunks. You just want to start squishing your slime because if you add a lot of Tide, it brings out the
We
top.
might even do a toothpaste slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, and see if they work. we watch some YouTube videos and they say they work. So we're gonna see if it actually works. That might be the next video for you guys. We don't know.
Sure.
Make sure to have your notifications on.
Oh yeah. Wait, shh.
I'm gonna add a little bit more tie
See, guys.
to not get it that much sticky. And do, and do, do.
See? Got it. Yours is not sticky to the bowl.
But still, it's still hot.
Okay, I'm gonna move this just because. Ooh, I add some more Tide to my slime because they have some Tide in the bowl. Yeah.
I'm gonna take out my stick. So.
Yours is.
And I'm gonna go in there with my hand, even though I know my slime is kind of the slime consistency, but not the slime consistency that I wanted. So I'm gonna add some of my food coloring because I want to. And this is gonna be hard because you don't know what color you're gonna turn out because Ty has color. So I'm going to be using red because I'm gonna want
Yours is
a
light
pretty
purple because blue and pink turns purple.
And if I don't get
Blue
the color I
and
want,
red.
I'm going to use a different color.
Look at my slime, guys.
I'm going to add 2 drops. So, yeah. 1, 2. There.
I'm gonna be doing green today, guys.
What if it don't turn out green?
Oh. I'm gonna use blue, whatever. But I'm gonna pick that.
Guys, look. It's turning a weird color. Like, it's turning pink! The color that I wanted.
That's how mine turned pink last time. I'm gonna add some green and some blue.
How many drops you added?
1. I put a lot.
Yeah, I can tell. That's why I asked. Okay, I'm going to
Who
go
wanted
in here
2
with my
drops
hand.
of green? Where will we go?
Copyright. Copyright.
Look, guys. That's an ugly color, so sorry. Yeah, that's too ugly. That's how mine turned out ugly. That's
I don't know what happened to my slime.
Oh.
Okay. Help me, Nissan.
The slime queen can fix it.
No.
Okay. So, you need
More
some.
tie.
Yes,
I
you
know. I'm not crazy.
Where would we?
Give me this.
Where would we?
This is very
Where
messy.
would we go with this slime?
I'm only put 2.5
Cups.
What happened? This is too much sugar.
I know what I'm
like
gonna
that
add
color.
to my slime. I'm gonna add
Good.
Yeah, hers
No.
turned out good.
me. Mine is not
I'm gonna
good.
put a little bit at a time.
I think I'm gonna win today.
I need more glue. Can somebody pass me the glue?
Give me glue too. I need glue too. Mine is still not good.
Yeah.
I need glue. So right now,
Need more.
I'm gonna add a little more blue.
Look at this.
To make it a light bluer.
Where will we go?
So when you have Thai
Copyright.
slime, it kind of has some lines in it.
Mine is not slime.
Mine is the best.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to you. Add some of this.
That's it.
What's happening to mine?
You want me to help you?
Going good.
See your
Please watch
Thai?
this video. Click on it. We're gonna convince you. It's gonna be. You add most of my tie.
That wasn't yours.
Oh yeah, you added a lot of tie. I'm gonna add the whole thing. I'm just copying.
Sorry.
You don't know what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna mix on the
It's
table.
clicky.
Okay.
It's clicky.
It's
Yeah,
clicky. I'm gonna
You
mix
need more
on-
glue. I don't know
This
what
looks
happened
like
to her.
organs. This looks like organs
Where's the
from
glue?
somebody's
Leona,
body.
give me the glue.
Give her the glue.
Okay. I'm gonna pour for you. How much you want? A little?
No, actually no.
Guys, I think mine's is the best. Look, watch this, guys. Watch this.
Don't worry about the background noise.
Actually, I need glue. Where's the glue?
Oh
I
my!
actually need glue.
You
I need glue. I need glue. I need glue. I need glue.
Bisani, help her. pour that
She needs to make a slime over.
glue. No, never. That's just wasting glue for your information.
You're the queen master. You should know how to.
Where's the glue?
I do. This looks like organs.
That's it,
I want to
that's
change
it.
my
Okay.
color. Oh my god.
God.
You, oh my god.
There we go. There we go.
This looks like organs.
Mine's is the best. But the color is kind of ugly though.
It does, huh? Ew. I made organ slime. Don't worry about the background noise.
It's a
Don't worry
monster
about it.
screaming.
It's just a monster. I'm gonna tell it to be quiet.
Okay, so she's telling the monster shut your mouth. So the
I told
monster
the monster
finally
to be
shut up.
quiet.
I think.
Hers is
Abigail's
turning
actually turning out sticky.
on.
You dropped the food coloring.
Which one?
It's blue.
This video better get a lot of views.
Let's try to get this video to
200 likes. Please.
Yeah.
200 or a million.
some water.
Don't worry about the person who's laughing. You're gonna find out
Send
very
it to
soon.
the
It's
mail.
gonna be one of our guests. Look at my organ swirl. Organ swirl.
Guys,
Do I need more glue? But I feel like I just need to mix it
Help
in.
them. Help your sisters.
No,
Help-
I don't
help
need your
your
help. I'm a
sisters.
slime queen.
I'm gonna help Abigail.
Give me the slime. I mean this glue. Where will we go?
She's getting out of control.
Oh my!
It won't
I'm going.
get
Let me see.
better.
Wait, let me.
Try
Judge, can you hold my
too
slime?
hard. Oh no.
I'm gonna move this because you're gonna just get slime out.
I'm gonna get that slime.
No! No!
Oh no.
No!
Oh no. Oh no.
Abigail, you need some of this. You need some of this. I know that for a fact.
A little bit. I need to go. Can someone open the door? I need to wash my hands.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Turn
Look.
watch out. See, she needed this, guys. Look at this.
My slime is coming together.
You want me to knead it for you?
Yes.
Yay, my slime turned out to a success.
I'm not
See, guys,
done.
she
You
just-
see, I'm a slime queen. I'm a slime queen.
Go wash your hands.
Me? Okay, I need to.
Can you put some of that in my
Oh,
in
no.
her slime? Some of
Really?
that. Yeah, this.
This?
Yeah.
No, this is this is a Thai glue slime. This is cheating, guys. Don't do that to yourself, okay? You can't just cheat on yourself.
Breath out.
And make sure this is not a well. This video is gonna help you, but it didn't hurt that much.
Stop.
So don't do
Excuse me.
it.
Excuse
Okay,
me.
I recommend
Is it
to
done?
watch it. This
Okay,
way.
I'm not gonna help you.
Huh?
Working.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Mine is done. It's good.
Oh Lord.
And I'm gonna do this little swirly for you
no.
guys. I'm gonna do a
Can
little-
someone help me?
Guys, look at this ocean color.
I'm gonna help you, Abigail.
No, I need.
No, that is cheating.
You can't cheat in
Can
this.
I use this?
No, that's cheating too. We're gonna help you.
Don't be doing.
Yeah, please don't do that.
No, don't add that. Don't add that.
We're going about to help you.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Hi guys, we are back. So we helped our sister. We fixed the table, and we're gonna show you how we play with our slime and how it turned out, and we're gonna rate it. If this is really good, if this recipe is really good. So yeah.
Look at her. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Fell.
You can put it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this slime. I'm gonna get it 5 out of 10 because I.
So what
think
color you use to your slime
I put
and
red.
to make it purple?
I put red food coloring to make it this color, and I didn't know it wasn't gonna turn.
So
this
red. So actually red and
blue.
blue.
Yeah,
Turn
because
it purple.
Yeah, it turns purple.
Okay. And Abigail, what color is yours? Blue.
Blue.
So you just added.
She just add tie.
You just add tie. And blue.
So,
blue,
And I'm adding
and
a
she
little
used
bit of
blue
these.
food
bees.
coloring.
And I use some green food coloring and some blue food coloring.
Wait.
Guys, watch this. Watch this.
Here are
Wait.
these crunches that we all did.
Okay, wait. First me.
You have your own, Abigail.
Look. 1, 2, 3. Okay, second, Dariana.
Okay, this is mine. Okay, so I'm gonna spread it out to get that good bubble. Okay. Ooh. Your turn.
Okay.
I'm gonna add all of these.
Oh, I
That's
like-
mine.
Sorry, yeah, that was, but it's okay. You can have the rest of these. I'm gonna add a little bit.
She hurt her finger.
These pokey stars.
Oh,
Okay,
I'm gonna
okay,
put the
guys.
stars
Wait,
on.
let me do it one more time, please.
I'm gonna actually leave the stars.
Ouch.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this
Where's the
video.
foamy?
And it was a fun video to
Where's
make.
the foamy?
And don't forget to come back for more like this. And we will see you guys in the next video. We are Slime out.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Ouch! That does hurt.
It poked you.
Okay.
Isani was right. The stars will poke you. So I'm gonna get my name.
My slime music
Okay,
video.
okay. Okay, try to do this, guys.
That was good magic trick.
None didn't even get on the floor.
That was closer.
And behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. My slime music video.
You sound like
We
Ron
might actually make a
Patsy.
slime music video. We're slime.
No,
We're
it's
slime
be
cool.
behind the scenes.
Yeah, we should post that for all of our videos behind the scenes. We out.
Okay, we out.
Peace.